inshallah. Today it is Friday, 10th of April, corresponding to 16th of Shaban. And we just wanted to give you an update what's happening here. For the first time ever, there is going to be a burial of 10 individuals, and they will be buried individually in separate chambers inside the burial ground. So this for the community, for you to be aware that this is a Sharia compliant, and it meets the need of accommodating and relieving the hospital to cope with the capacity of holding the bodies. So in order for the communities, wherever you may be, to avoid the issue on cremation, where you know the last rite of the burial for the deceased is the burial, it is so important that we support this great initiative. And this is here at the Eternal Gardens. Today is Friday and it is 5 to 4. So please be informed that what's happening right now is the 10 individuals that will be laid here in front, so that the janazah salah can be done. One salatul prayer for all, and that is the standard procedure of how we do the salatul janazah. So you're going to have the 5 males in the front and 5 at the female, and this is the Eternal Gardens. And subhanallah, all this is COVID-19 related. So this will be used today, the first ever space, the 2 rows, 5 in the front, 5 at the back. And when there are the next 10 individuals, they will be buried in this location, in this space. So as you look at it, it looks like a large trench. It is a great misconception. We may think it is a mass grave, but remember the way the planks that will be laid, it's called the lahad method. And that is how it will be laid, inshallah. May Allah make it easy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And this is because it's unprecedented. Also, the Sky News have come to record today's burial. This is row number 2. So this clarification, today this space will be used, the 10 individuals in this grave, and the next 10 will be buried here. May Allah Ta'ala protect us. May Allah make it easy for all of us to understand that the coronavirus and the COVID-19 it is something really real. It is not something that we should treat lightly, and hence the family members have not been allowed to participate and to be here. Otherwise, imagine if you have a large gathering and it only takes probably one person to spread the virus to others. So it's more about protecting and saving lives. In this way, in the way it has been conducted today, we are able to give dignity and honor to the deceased, and at the same time you are protecting the lives of others. May Allah give us all the understanding, tawfiq, why we need to really help and support this great initiative. Unprecedented here in the UK, the first time in this location at the Eternal Gardens, supported by the Eternal Gardens management team. And right at the end I can see Mr. Richard, and on this side we have Sky News also recording. Shortly, inshallah, the janazah salah will be taking place. Brother Asif Hassan Ali is at home as he has to isolate himself, but he is working very hard. May Allah reward him abundantly. This is it today, unprecedented year happening in South London in the UK. Until my next reflection, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.